Hey, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can fix your storage problem and not showing an archive and not showing on Instagram. So first you have to do is open your Instagram application. Go into the profile icon. Go into the three lines in the right corner. Go into the archive. You can see that my stories are showing here, but if you have a problem in storage, simply tap on the three dotted lines in the upper right corner. Go into the settings and make sure your save story to archive is turned on. If you guys have done off, so do it into the turn on, and in this way you will be able to see your stories in the highlights and in the archive stories. I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.